how did this little piece of equipment here get me to a sweaty mess on my next routine I'm going to show you. Stick around. Hey elites, it is Stephen Levesque with EliteFitnessWithSteve.com, and today, wherever you are, I'm going to show you my next routine using a metronome. If you do not have a metronome, and just pick up this piece of equipment, it's going to drive you crazy, but it's really going to help your mechanics for your SAQ drills, if you're a hockey player, for your stick handling, basketball player, for your dribbling. I can go on to every single sport, how this metronome is just great for your mechanics. I'm going to show you 2 exercises today, and we're going to incorporate this metronome. It's going to get me into a sweaty mess. I'm already sweating thinking about it. So let me get ready and set up for this first exercise. Alright, so I'm going to put the metronome on 60 beats per minute. And what that's going to do for us is, on this first exercise I'm going to show you, is our leg movement, in and out. So we're going to go into a push-up position, and the cycle looks like this. So it's 1, 2, come down, 1, 2, come down, 1, 2, pull up, 1, 2, pull up, just like that. And I'm crushing my floor here. So, I'll move this up a little bit. So, that is the first cycle on the 60 beats per minute. And what I like to do is do that cycle 4 to 8 times, depending upon the speed of the metronome, and then you will give yourself either a minute rest or a 30-second rest before you start, the next cycle of, 4 to 8. Now, once you get that down at 60 beats, then we're going to go to 120. So we're going to do the same exercise. I'm going to come up just a little bit so I'm not pulling my floor up. So it looks like this. 1, 2. Just like that. And that's at 120. So when that becomes easy for you and your mechanics are good, then you're going to amp it up from 120 to 160. And that's the pace of our legs, hence working on that quickness in the legs. 3. Just like that. And then run through your cycle. So that's the first exercise. I'm going to move the weights, and I'm going to show you the next exercise. Alright, I'm ready to show you the second exercise of this video. We have the metronome on tempo of 60. So again, this is going to be your leg movement. So what this exercise is, a little different. Looks like this. That tempo, we're going to work on left side first, so it looks like this. 3. So it's 4, and you're going to come down and push up, and then come down in a push up. So it's left side, push up, right side, push up. I am already a sweaty mess. Now, once you get that mechanics down, then you can have some fun. And now we're going to go to 120 beats. So it looks like this. Have that tempo in your head. Just like that. And just practice that tempo. I mess up sometimes too with that tempo, but this keeps you honest, and that's the thing. It's okay to maybe off a little bit of the time. Just keep on practicing it, and you'll get it. For me, I like doing this routine that I'm showing you today after my leg day. So yesterday was my leg day, and my legs are screaming today. But I like throwing this in the next day just to wake the legs up again and, you know, get ready for scenarios where you have your lift and then you have your game the next day. So this is when I like to incorporate this exercise. Now, once we get that down on the 120, go to the 160. And that's the thing. So I just showed you two ways of doing it. The 120 way, when I was right at it, and then the 160 way, when you come down, listen for the tempo and hit it. So those are two different ways of doing it. That pause to go back to tempo, or just go straight through. Well, that's the video. I hope you liked this video. Let's try to get 30 likes. I want to welcome my new subscribers. Man, the Elite Fitness with Steve family is growing. Welcome, new subscribers. Hit that bell notification button, and that tells you when I have a video coming up. I will put a link to this metronome and then the type that actually you can put around your arm and you'll feel the pulse. I like the old school one because I don't want something on my arm. It usually falls off. But if you want exclusive content, go to my elitefitnesswithsteve.com, and there I'm building my arsenal of exclusive videos, so check those out. And oh, what I wanted to tell you, starting Friday, a friend of mine, Kristen, she asked me, she said, Steve, could you do workout videos for people 50 and older? Because what happens sometimes at that age, the exercises out there, they're 0 to 100, and they need something in between, and that's going to be my challenge. And so I will start that on Friday. This is Elite Fitness with Steve. Take care. Peace.